How has enterprise solutions impacted your organization?
We have seen some really exceptional engagement with our enterprise membership. I think we have really embraced our enterprise membership. We have not only encouraged our individual contributors to obtain these valuable certifications, but requiring it for our leaders. The information found within HFMA, and particularly the certifications, has proved to be extremely valuable and I believe helped us to ultimately have one of the most educated revenue cycles within the entire industry. Hi, I'm Jake Hess. I am the Director of Revenue Cycle Shared Services at Spectrum Health in Grand Rapids, Michigan.
Tell us more about your internal certification challenge.
At Spectrum Health, we did have a certification challenge. So we ran a 2-month challenge and the winning team received a lunch with our Senior Vice President, Amy Ossenmacher. This created kind of a fun sense of competition and banter throughout the revenue cycle, not only with the individual contributors, but also with the leaders. We have a bi-weekly revenue cycle communication that goes out. And for those 2 months, there was kind of a pie chart and graph, just encouraging and sharing with the entire revenue cycle where each team was. So it created a nice healthy banter. And I think it got people excited about getting their certifications.
How has Spectrum Health maintained excitement and engagement in HFMA?
So we are requiring certifications for all managers on up now and working to get folks involved in HFMA boards throughout the community and also constantly working towards having our teams always look to HFMA for their first choice of anything regarding questions or best practices. So really pointing folks into that as their first line of defense has been super helpful.
How are you measuring success?
The HFMA enterprise agreement has really driven a lot of results within the revenue cycle. We have seen partners within finance and even some of the clinical spaces achieving revenue cycle certifications. We do have everything broken down by individual team as well as department-wide so that those leaders can receive that information for their specific downlines. We feel the use of our enterprise agreement has been one of the nicest things that we have had the opportunity to have within our revenue cycle. And I feel that we are one of the most educated revenue cycles in the industry. And as a result, we won the HFMA Hospital MAP Award for 2020.
How has enterprise membership helped your organization through the pandemic?
Through the public health crisis and the pandemic, that is the coronavirus in 2020, the HFMA enterprise membership really helped our organization to connect with our peers going through the same things. So whether it was from a phone call conversation or connecting with someone at HFMA that could connect us with a different organization, we really found the HFMA community to be such a valuable resource to tap into those connections and share the struggles and best practices with other organizations throughout the entire pandemic.
What future plans does Spectrum Health have for your enterprise membership?
We hope to continue to see our membership increase and our certifications rise. We're constantly striving to be the best, and our enterprise membership helps us to get closer and closer to that each and every day.